And count your blessings every single day, because no one else would have you, Jeffy. Mm-hmm. You are a walking crime scene. Now, let's go back on to the other things that are happening after we've just cheered Jeffy up on his birthday. And by the way, seriously, we have no idea how old he is. He will not tell anyone. Amber, I was joking with Amber, and I like, well, seriously, how old is she? She's like, oh no, he has threatened me. I almost called a women's shelter because I was afraid of him so much when he said, don't you ever tell how old I am. And so he won't. And I said, well, I'll just call HR. And he looked at me and he was like, seriously, I'll sue you for that. You can't do that as my employer. And I don't know what it is. Are you really, really old, Jeffy? Is that what it is? Seriously, because you look like you're in the prime of your life, if the prime of your life was 80. But seriously, how old are you?
He's not going to tell you.
Let's take a guess. Stu, how old do you think he is?
I've always thought he's in his mid-70s. I don't know exactly what age.
No, seriously. Seriously.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Mid-70s. Mid to late 70s?
It could be late 70s.
Okay, but seriously. Early 80s.
I've always thought, I always thought he was younger than me. Maybe because you should have learned more if you were at least my age. You know what I mean? You should have more common sense. You should, who could spend that much time in prison as much time he has spent if.
Yeah, it's funny too because there's basically like.
I'm sorry, Jeffy, correct me. It was jail, not prison.
Prison, right?
It was jail, not prison.
There's a movie on the internet. It's kind of like Loose Change that has an alternate theory, which is that Jeffy has lived so hard he's really only like 24. He just looks like he's in his 70s because of all the things he's done to his body in those 24 years.
The way he, and I think that's actually true. He probably is about 21 because of the hard living that he has had. But seriously, it makes me think and I mean this sincerely, it makes me think he's in his 60s because he is so freakish about it.
I know. That's what's so weird. He's a
we're
guy,
all
and he's freaky about it. It's like,
we're all generally right. We're all generally the same age. You know, Stu is a
little bit younger, late 30s.
He's a little
right?
younger, but he's much. I mean, he feels like he's 45 or 50 because he's so smart and he's got some common sense to him. He's used his years wisely,
and especially compared to Jeffy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
and
so we all kind of feel the same age. But Jeffy, the way he is so guarded about it, are you seriously? And I just want to know. Am I going to start getting some sort of ageism lawsuits coming my way if I fire you because you're over 65? He won't say.
No, he won't.
You're right. He's mid-70s.
Yeah, I think so.
Mid-70s.
I think early to mid to late 70s, early 80s.
So
I'd say no older than mid to late 80s.
We're gonna go to
certainly not over 90.